very good morning to our RANsquawk listeners and welcome to the European Rundown for today, Friday the 11th of November. Firstly, as we observe Remembrance Day here in the UK and also Veterans Day in the US, our hearts and thoughts go out to those who served in the war. As such then, given that fact, the Chicago pit is shut for Treasury trade today, so volumes are going to remain pretty light throughout the session and there isn't any real major economic data coming out of the US. Things have been very quiet as well comparative to how we've been in terms of news and flows so far this week, with only around 200,000 Bund contracts, that's 200,000 Bund futures contracts traded so far. Focus still very much on Italy, but the market taking somewhat a bit of confidence then as we head in toward the weekend. We've heard the Italian Senate debate has been underway this morning. They're looking to vote on their 2012 budget in the next few hours, and then we'll look for that to go through the lower house on Saturday, with Berlusconi expected to step down on Sunday, with Mario Monti then taking the helm in Italy. Also as well, we are awaiting the newly elected Greek PM for the interim period, Papademos. He's going to be sworn in at around 2 o'clock London time this afternoon. In terms of the peripheral bond yield spreads at the 10-year part of the curve, the Italian spreads continue to tighten significantly. There has been some vague chatter of the ECB being active once again in their securities markets programme, and also said to be in the Spanish bonds as well. In terms of the BTP future in Italy, that's now pretty much recouped all of its losses it saw in the mid part of the week, and that 10-year yield now in Italy is firmly back below that 7% level. In terms of the calendar though for today, with a lot of the US players out due to Veterans Day holiday, things are expected to remain pretty quiet. Nonetheless, we'll continue to keep you updated when we have our next video update later on today. For the time being, have yourself a good trading day and a fantastic weekend.